welcome to my channel. So in the today's lecture we are going to discuss what is indexing. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about the indexing. So where indexing is used in real life, if you study any book, let's suppose I am studying computer networking book. So what happens? At each and every page of this book, you will see page number. Okay. At the below of each and every page, you will see the page number. Okay. So let's suppose if you don't make index in your book. Okay. If you don't use index in your book. So in that case, if you have to search for any chapter or any topic, then you have to look for each and every page. Okay, to search for a particular topic. So your searching time is going to be very much. Okay, your searching time is going to be very much. It is going to take lot of time to search for a particular topic if you don't have indexing. Okay, so that is the reason that we make index table in front of each and every book. Okay, in the starting we make index table. Okay, and with the help of index table we can search each and every topic very faster. Okay, in index table we are writing the summary of all of the topics which you are covering in your book. Okay, so with the help of index table we can search for any topic faster. Okay, so that is the basic idea of using the indexing in real life. Even if you look at the reports, even if you make reports, your progress reports, if your report size is big, then we will be making one index table in your report. Okay, because with the help of index table you can easily get the complete overview of your report, that which topics you are covering in your report and what is the corresponding page number. Okay, so any topic you can search easily with the help of the indexing. So your searching time is going to be reduced. The main purpose of making indexing is we want to reduce our searching time. Okay, so similarly, why we are studying this indexing topic in database management system? So what is the need of indexing in database management system? Let me show you. In database management system, we are going to make database tables. Okay, let's suppose I am making employee table. Okay, I am making one table of employee in which I am storing all of the details of the employees. Like this, I am having an employee table. Okay, and the various attributes of employee table is employee ID, employee name, and let's suppose the department in which employee employee belong. Okay, so this table, I am having lot of records stored in this table. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, Neha, Pooja, Swati, Poonam. Okay, Neha and Pooja belongs to CSE department and Swati and Poonam belongs to ECE department. Okay, so we have a many number of records saved in this employee table. Okay, as databases which we make, they are permanently saved. Okay, they are permanently saved in the hard disk. So this employee database table which you are making is going to be stored in the hard disk. Okay, this database table is going to be stored in the hard disk. So let's suppose I am just taking here 4 records. Let's suppose we have 100 records present in this table. Okay, in this we have 100 records like this. Okay, and all these 100 records are saved in the hard disk. When user asks that I want to fetch the detail of employee having employee ID 99. User is giving some query to fetch the detail of the employee having employee ID 99. Okay, so as all these 100 records are saved in the hard disk, okay, as a human being, we can easily see value 99 and we can easily fetch the detail of that employee. But it is a machine. Okay, we are giving some set of instructions to the machine. So if you are performing linear search here, how you will be processing on this table? Firstly, I will go to the first record. I will compare this employee ID 1 with employee ID 99. They both mismatch. Okay, so we will move to next tuple. Then we compare 2 with 99. So they mismatch. Okay, so this way we will be processing on the table. We will be comparing 99 with each and every value if you are doing linear search. Okay, this is how machine follow the instructions. Okay, so if you imagine that if you have to do processing like this, you have to compare 99 with each and every employee ID. Then it is going to take a lot of time to find the 99th record of employee. Okay, so searching time is very large in this case. So that is the reason we use indexing in database tables. We want to reduce the fetching time of the records in the table. If we don't use indexing, then we have to search for each and every employee ID. And our searching time is going to be very large. Like if you are studying computer networking book, you don't have index table. You just have given page numbers. With the help of looking at the page number, you are searching for your topic. Okay, so this is the same condition here. So till now, we are not using any index in this case. Okay, so that is the advantage of using indexing. Indexing we basically use if we want to reduce the searching time of any record. Okay. videos. So if you have any query, I have mentioned my email ID in the description box. You can contact me on that email ID. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.